Do not be yoked together with unbelievers. For what do righteousness and wickedness have in common? Or what fellowship can light have with darkness? What does a believer have in common with an unbeliever? What agreement is there between the temple of God and idiots? For we are the temple of the living God.
Come on, y'all.
I saw a black man with a Bible and a sparkler in his hand. He was holding a tent revival and running a firework stand. He said the end of the world is coming. You better get on your knees. Today bottle rockets 2 for 1, but salvation's free. He said I quit my job at a big church where the milk and money flow. 2 said cherry bombs for Jesus in a tent beside the road. I ain't in it for the money. Most cars they pass on by, but I pay the rent on New Year's and the 4th of July. Here at the Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, Fire and Brimstone, Mission Temple Fireworks Stand. The fireworks are dangerous, they can blow up in your face. You better read the instructions, light the fuse and get away. Well, these things are made in China, so it's easy to see why a man who worships Buddha ain't got no guarantees. Here at the Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, Fire and Brimstone, Mission Temple Fireworks Stand. Wow!
Everything I'm selling is all going up in smoke.
It's like taking $20, y'all, and watching it explode.
When the trumpet sounds and the Lord comes back, I promise you one thing. I'll be a human bottle rocket,
And I'll go out with a bang. I'll leave this Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, Fire and Brimstone, Mission Temple Fireworks Stand.
Hey!
This Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, Fire and Brimstone, Mission Temple Fireworks Stand. You know I'll leave this
Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, Fire and Brimstone.
Mission Temple Fireworks Stand.
Jesus protects our world from evil, and he protects the earth and everything.